Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic of professional ethics. I'm sure we all know regarding the provisions of Section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961. This section deals with the punishment for professional or other misconduct. Professional or other misconduct. So what is professional conduct means? Suppose if you take up a case and if you don't attend the court on the dates of adjournment, and if you inform the party that even though the case was dismissed, that he was successful, like that, this is professional misconduct. What is other misconduct? Suppose if a woman comes to you and asks to file a divorce case, and if you develop illegal contact with her, then it is called other misconduct. Both these are punishable under Section 35 of the Advocates Act by the Bar Council of the concerned state or the appellate authority by the Bar Council of India. Right. Yeah. In the 8th month, it happened in the 8th month, very recently. Actually, an advocate, I think they have written the name, therefore I am disclosing, otherwise it's not necessary to disclose it. Mr. Subramani or Subramani, sorry, Bala Subramani, an advocate, so practicing in Karur area, that is in Tamil Nadu. He was alleged to have been involved, an FIR was registered against him in case of stealing, that is theft, then breaking the lights with an arwad, that means with a logistic or something like that, and threatening Mr. Marappan and his family members. So almost just like a gunda he behaved, or just like an ordinary person he behaved. So what is the difference between an ordinary man and an advocate? Definitely advocate is also a person, but he has got to observe the so-called professional ethics. He should know what is right and what is wrong. When he is in a profession, he is almost an authority, he is an advisor to the court. So he should not take law into his own hands. This is what happened. So a case in crime number 326 by 2022 under section 294B, you know, that is singing or reciting or using obscene words. 379 theft, 427 mischief, and 506 part 2. So 506 means definitely intimidating, criminal intimidation. So under these sections, a case was registered at Tentoni Malai, PS of Karur district. So it means he might have gone into the house of the other person, abused him in filthy language or any obscene words. Even though not his house, he might have used the obscene words in a public place because 294B is there. 294 occurs in a public place. Likewise, 506, that is criminal intimidation. Mischief is by breaking lights. So theft is by taking away some property. Maybe a civil disputes also, we can't say. We can't say whether it is even though it is a civil dispute, it has been converted to a criminal case. But whatever it is, certain allegations are leveled against the advocate which should not have been done. Right? If it is a false allegation, definitely the Bar Council would have come into his rescue, into his support. But the Bar Council, on taking a report from Mr. Marappan, so they passed a resolution prohibiting the Mr. K. Balasubramani from practicing as an advocate in all courts, in all tribunals, in all other places of authority, either in his name, here please remember, in his name or assumed name or any assumed name. So that means in the name of others also he may try to practice. That is also totally prohibited until the outcome of the Bar Council actually proceedings or the enquiry. So normally the enquiry as per 35 is that they will give notice to him, they will call the witnesses, they will record the statements, he will be given an opportunity for cross-examination. All things will be done, then only the decision will be coming. So there are instances where the lawyers have been dismissed summarily. Lawyers have been suspended 5 years by the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. It has got history also. Whatever it is, if the allegations are true, Bar Council will not leave him. Definitely, he will be punished. But pending that inquiry, this man has been suspended for some time. So copies were sent to the Home Department, copies were sent to the Supreme Court Registry, everything is done. So this is an incident, glaring incident where the professional misconduct or other misconduct will not be tolerated, and Advocates Act 1961 is there. Even though I am telling you that this act is for the protection of the advocates, definitely it will deal with the black sheep also, right? So please remember, don't involve in such things as long as you are advocates. Ordinary person, if he does, okay, case is registered, he will attend the court, the outcome may be different. Who cares? But as an advocate, you should not do like that. So please take it a lesson and refrain from taking such activities. Thank you very much.